It's Patrick at Pals. We're talking about engine diagnostics today. And you can see we've got this one stripped all the way down. We were rebuilding it. And the car came in because it had a camshaft problem. The lobes were wiped out on the camshaft and the bearings were gone. So it needed a rebuild. We got everything stripped down, and what did we find? But a crack in the cylinder wall. Jim is putting his screwdriver right on that faint gray line. Right there. You can see that cylinder is cracked. So you would say, well, I need a new engine block. But you don't, because you see how this is sleeved? You can see this is an aluminum block with a steel sleeve on the inside. So what can happen with this vehicle is, instead of getting another engine block or boring it, you don't bore it, you take this sleeve out of the engine and you put a new sleeve in. Then you reuse the pistons that you have because it's not oversized. It hasn't been bored. It's going to be the same and match all the rest of the pistons. So we put in a new sleeve, new rings on the old piston, new bearings on the old rods, and then this engine will run like brand new. Of course, we're going to put in a new camshaft, new cam bearings. Everything will be renewed. But this customer doesn't have to have it bored. If you don't have to bore an engine, it doesn't upset any of the geometry for the intake manifold. So it's a much better rebuild when you get done. If you've got an aluminum block LS1, 2, or 3, a Ford Coyote, or a Dodge Hemi, bring it to Pals. They all have sleeves. We can fix them. See you soon.